Welcome to Coin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we talk about MineFullTrader. MineFullTrader.com is their website, and let's have a look why this thing can go crazy. The future of mining is here. You need to ask yourself why you aren't running our application on your device when your devices can pay for themselves. Begin earning cryptocurrency now. No charges, no strings attached, no registration. Why work for your devices when your devices can work for you? Take full control of your devices right now. You can download this application on your Windows. Use MFT on multiple devices. MineFullTrader. Donate to charity or enter MFT ball raffle. Mine Bitcoin to your own personal wallet. Hold cryptocurrency and earn rewards. Exchange with both basic and advanced option. Welcome to MineFullTrader. What they offer: earn Bitcoin on your Windows device when idle or away. Get rewarded with Bitcoin and trade for other cryptocurrencies. You can use MFT tokens to play the MFT ball raffle or spend crypto on Amazon. Coming soon. Trade your mine or utilize our basic trading bot that trades on technical analysis indicators. Hold out of 50,000 MFT tokens and get reduced trading fees of 0.5%. Hold over 100,000 MFT tokens and you pay 0% in trade fees, and you'll get access to an arbitrage trading bot. Sounds nice? Yes, it sounds. Refer your friends. Refer others and earn 3% of their profits paid directly from MFT. Nice. The team, we are pleased at MFT to release the MFT desktop app for Windows. Earn more than 1000x on PC than on mobile. Yes, guys, and look, these guys are the team, and these are not someone. Samir Mayfield, CEO and co-founder, web developer. You can find him on LinkedIn, on Facebook. Jack Snyder, co-founder, software developer, and Denis Lukavacic, CEO of Cryptotron Exchange, guys. And you can find all these guys on LinkedIn or Facebook. Michael Roberts is the blockchain advisor, and so on, guys. Just think of it. You can earn passive income just if you are doing what you're doing before also. If you go away from your computer, just let this program work for you. Or if you download some things, just let it work for you. Why not? It's a passive income, guys. And you don't have to buy or sell or do anything for it. Just let it work for you. That's all. And you can find them for sure on Discord, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and Instagram. And the ICO launch on, exactly in 24 days and 8 hours and 44 minutes. I will put you down under the video exactly the link. Then you can find the pre-sale platform launch.minefulltrader.com. Here you can buy this token at least. And let's have a look. They have a white paper also. I didn't mention that before. Let's step a little bit deeper inside the smart contract. And here finally you can buy this token. And yeah, guys, it is their white paper, a 17-sider. So there's not too much to read, but I think enough to understand their project. Simply holding a variety of tokens in the personal wallet, looking the crypto for 12 months for high yield reward, playing MFT ball raffles, referring friends and family, holding MFT tokens, and trading. This is the reward platform, just a platform you can use to earn somehow a passive income for all your tokens. And so on. The fair launch. What will we offer? Free money from idling devices, easy access to spend crypto. That's very important, guys. Easy access to spend crypto. This is what we need. We have to follow the easy way. Keep it simple, kids. I always pretend that and tell that to people. Keep it simple. Without that, people are not buying any things. It doesn't matter how good crypto is. If we don't start to make it simple for everyone, every user, and not only the nerds and not only the cracks, just people who are normal consumers who don't want to think much, don't want to do much, but they want to participate in it. And this is a platform you can do it. Why not? MFT MineFullTrader. MineFullTrader offers you a solution where you can just leave your computer and this thing creates passive income. What else you want, guys? There's not much more on the market right now, right? So just start it in, wait for the pre-sale. In 24 days this thing launched, and I think 100x is not far away. If you see who is inside the team, I mean, CEO of Cryptotron Exchange, Dennis Luka Vacik. Why not, guys? Why not? Think about it. Let me know what you think down into the comments under this video, and for sure I put you all the important links also into the description, and maybe leave me a like, or maybe leave a like for MineFullTrader.com. And if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain, let me know that. In that way, you just subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a like, and until next video, I wish you the very best profits. And see you later, alligator guys. Bye.